Hey, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI codebase by clicking on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the average true range indicator to generate buy and sell signals based on whether the volatility is increasing or decreasing. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon here or by pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor window where we can create our new expert advisor file. We click on New, select Expert Advisor, give it a name, and then we can start coding. The first thing we need to do is include the trade library. We use hashtag include Trade Trade.mqh, which gives us access to the CTrade class that makes it easy to open and manage positions. Next, we create an instance of CTrade. We declare CTrade trade, which creates our trade object that we will use later to execute buy and sell orders. Now we move to the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick arrives for the symbol we are trading. This is where all our trading logic will be placed. Inside OnTick, we start by creating a string variable called signal and initialize it with an empty string. This variable will store whether we have a buy or sell signal based on our average true range analysis. We then calculate the ask price by using symbol info double with underscore symbol and symbol underscore ask. The underscore symbol parameter automatically uses the symbol of the chart where we attach our expert advisor. We wrap this in normalized double and use underscore digits to ensure we get the correct number of decimal places for our broker's pricing. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using symbol info double with underscore symbol and symbol underscore bid, again normalizing it with underscore digits to get the proper decimal precision. Now we create an array called price array of type double. This array will store the price data that we get from the average true range indicator. We define our average true range indicator by calling IATR with underscore symbol for the current symbol, underscore period for the current time frame, and 14 for the period parameter. This creates an average true range indicator with a 14 period calculation. We then sort our price array using ArraySetAsSeries with true as the second parameter. This sorts the array from the current candle downwards, making price array 0 the most recent value, price array 1 the previous candle, and so on. We use copybuffer to fill our price array with data from the average true range indicator. We pass the average true range definition handle we created earlier, 0 for the buffer index, since ATR only has one buffer, 0 to start from the current candle, 3 to get 3 candles worth of data, and price array as the destination array. We calculate the current average true range value by taking price array 0 and normalizing it to 5 decimal places. This gives us the most recent ATR value. We declare a static double variable called old value. The static keyword means this variable retains its value between different calls to OnTick, allowing us to compare the current ATR value with the previous one. We check if old value equals 0, which happens on the first run of the expert advisor. If it does, we set old value equal to the current average true range value to initialize our comparison baseline. For the buy signal logic, we check if the current average true range value is greater than old value. If volatility is increasing, we set our signal string to buy. For the sell signal logic, we check if the current average true range value is less than old value. If volatility is decreasing, we set our signal string to sell. Now we implement the actual trading logic. For selling, we check if our signal equals sell and if positions total is less than 1. This ensures we only open one position at a time. When these conditions are met, we use trade. Sell to open a sell position. We sell 10 microlots, which is 0.10 lots. Use null for the symbol to trade the current chart symbol. Use bid as the opening price. Set the stop loss at bid plus 200 points, which is above the selling price for a sell trade. Set the take profit at bid minus 150 points, which is below the selling price for a sell trade, and use null for the comment parameter. For buying, we check if our signal equals buy and again verify positions total is less than 1. When conditions are right, we use trade. Buy to open a buy position. We buy 10 microlots, 0.10 lots, use null for the symbol, Use ask as the opening price. Set the stop loss at ask minus 200 points, below the buying price for a buy trade. Set the take profit at ask plus 150 points, above the buying price for a buy trade, and use null for the comment. We provide visual feedback on the chart using the comment function. This displays the signal is, followed by our current signal value, then on a new line shows the old value, and on another new line shows the current average true range value. This helps us see what the expert advisor is thinking in real time. Finally, we assign the current average true range value to old values so that on the next tick we can compare the new value against this updated baseline. We press F7 to compile the code and check for any errors. If everything compiles successfully, we can proceed to test our expert advisor. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to Metatrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metatrader, we press Control and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the expert advisor that we have just created from the drop-down list, enable the visual mode by checking the box, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor running on the chart, opening positions when the average true range increases or decreases compared to the previous value, with clear visual feedback showing the current signal and ATR values. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the average true range indicator to trade based on volatility changes. You have coded yourself an expert advisor that monitors the average true range, compares current volatility with previous volatility, and opens buy or sell positions accordingly with proper risk management through stop loss and take profit levels. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.